Welcome to Bolajon English. Hello kids, salom bolajonlar. Bolajon English bilan ingliz tili judayam oson. Bugun biz sizlar bilan ingliz tilida uy hayvonlarini o'rganamiz. Uy hayvonlari ingliz tilida farm animals deyiladi. Farm animals. Qani boshladik. Let's go. Cow. Sigir. Cow. A cow says sheep. Qo'y. Sheep. A sheep says horse. Ot. Horse. A horse says goat. Echki. Goat. A goat says pig. Cho'chqa. Pig. A pig says donkey. Eshak. Donkey. A donkey says duck. O'rdak. Duck. A duck says rabbit. Quyon. Rabbit. A rabbit says rooster. Xo'roz. Rooster. A rooster says hen. Tovuq. Hen. A hen says goose. G'oz. Goose. A goose says turkey. Kurka. Turkey. A turkey says dog. Kuchuk. Dog. A dog says bull. Buqa. Bull. A bull says cat. Mushuk. Cat. A cat says bizning kanalimizga obuna bo'lishni unutmang. Video yoqgan bo'lsa like bosib qo'ying. Thank you. Bye bye.